Bringing out for Ben, I got 1/2015 Leaf Best of Football. Let's get going. Factory sealed. Starting off, rookie Todd Gurley, rookie Amir Abdullah. Next up, 2012 Panini Contenders RG3, 9.5 gem mint with a 10 auto. RG3 auto. And 2003 SP Authentic 53 out of 900, sign of the times, Peyton Manning. Peyton Manning auto to go with an RG3 auto, 2012 Panini Contenders. RG3 and a Peyton Manning auto right there. 9.5 gem mint, 9.5 gem mint. All right, there you are, Ben. Got two. Nice. Pretty loaded box right there. It's $199.95. Thanks. Thanks, everybody.